The Little Maker Assembly Plant is a hands-on toy designed to give little makers an idea about how to start making things. There's various modules that screw into place. You can change them if you want to have something besides the rotating bin. The rotating bin, we can choose various types and colors of arms and legs. We put them on the belt like this, and then we come over here and we crank and move them along. Notice this is an electric generator running an electric motor to give kids the idea that you don't have to just crank things manually. Right here we have a hopper where we can pick up bodies. If you want, this type of body for the put your legs on, or maybe you want a plain one with a little bit of color on it. Now, you would put the legs and the arms on at this stage, but to keep things moving, we'll run on down the line. And at this point, you probably want a head for your creation. So let's choose a blue head. We would then insert that onto one of our bodies. And, then it would go on off to the end where you get a finished product. Now, you can make cars or pastries or whatever you want to assemble in your plant.